The Logitech 4K Pro Webcam in 2022 is a great webcam that isn't perfect. In this video, I'm going to share 5 things I love and 5 things that could be better. The Logitech 4K Pro Webcam is a plug-and-play webcam that elevates your video stream for Zoom and other video conferencing platforms. Let's start with what I love about this webcam. First, the appearance. It's slick, simple, and minimal. It's easy on the eyes when on top of your monitor in comparison to other webcams that can be big and overly designed. Second, it is 4K. Streaming on Zoom is capped at 1080p at 60 frames per second. Connecting this to something like OBS to record gives you a 4K camera option. I wouldn't use it as the main cam in 4K. Using it as a B cam or even an overhead shot in a pinch is a great to have option. Third, the 1080p stream on Zoom is way better than most, if not all, built-in webcams on a MacBook or a laptop. The 1080p looks great, giving you a good image quality even on the receiving end of a Zoom call. Fourth thing I love is the built-in tripod mount. The webcam has a tripod screw when you take this piece off right underneath to make this very versatile. Putting this on a tripod or a magic mount or even a switch plate, you can set this anywhere you like. Fifth, the Logitune software is really easy to use and tweak the image to dial it in. So the Logitech 4K Pro Webcam, or Brio, isn't perfect, and there are things I wish could be better. First, the resolution, or at least trying to change the resolution without using OBS. I don't know what resolution this webcam is in the software because it's nowhere to be found. I was on Logitune, which doesn't give you the ability to switch between 720p, 1080, or even 4K. Depending on my internet speed or what I am streaming, it would be nice to be able to switch this on the fly. So I've been using OBS to change the resolution to 4K, and I'm just assuming when I'm on Zoom that this is set to 1080p. Secondly, in OBS, the 4K quality isn't really that great and really laggy. Now, that may not be the final recording result, but when I tested the 4K stream to record through OBS, the preview was so laggy and a lot of detail was lost that it wasn't really good, especially in comparison to a 1080p on this exact same camera. It makes me wonder if this is natively 1080p and it's upscaling to 4K and it just gives you the capability to have that 4K resolution. I am not sure. That being said, I don't like the 4K at least preview on this webcam. Third, using Logitune, the preview window is super small. When you're in the actual software, making changes to tweak the image quality, the small preview window can be deceiving. When you're on a Zoom meeting, you realize that your tweaks might be off when the video stream is viewed on a larger window. Fourth, out of the box, image quality is lackluster. If you want to get this and use it as a plug and play, the image quality is better than a built-in webcam on a laptop in most cases. I feel you need to take the time to tweak the image with the software like Logitune, and that other 1080p webcams can look better than this out of the box. Fifth, low light is horrible. That is going to be with most webcams. Just disappointing with advertising this Right Light 3 to help improve low light situations, making it really grainy and unusable. Overall, the Logitech 4K Pro Webcam, or Brio, is a great webcam and truly shines when streaming at 1080p. It has that 4K capability and tripod mount, making this very versatile depending if you are recording, going on Zoom, or streaming live. It's not perfect, and depending on your needs, what I pointed out earlier might be deal breakers for you. Found value in this video, you know what to do. If you like videos like this one, click here. Be safe, stay awesome, and I'll catch you in the next one.